Join me as I dive into Kuala Lumpur to uncover its best-kept secrets. Can I find the hidden gems that everyone else has missed? Kuala Lumpur, the vibrant capital of Malaysia, is a city that's often associated with its iconic landmarks, like the Petronas Twin Towers and Batu Caves. But trust me, there's so much more to this city than meets the eye. As I explore the lesser-known side of Kuala Lumpur, I'm excited to share with you my discoveries. One of the biggest challenges of traveling to Kuala Lumpur is that it's easy to get caught up in the tourist traps. You know, the usual suspects like shopping malls and overpriced restaurants. But if you're like me, you're always on the lookout for something more authentic. The thing is, Kuala Lumpur has a way of keeping its secrets hidden, and it takes a bit of digging to uncover them. I've spent hours scouring the city, talking to locals, and trying out new experiences. As I dug deeper, I started to uncover some amazing hidden spots that most tourists never even hear about. Take, for example, the local eateries that serve up mouth-watering street food. I'm talking about places like Jalan Alor, where you can find some of the best hawker food in the city. Or visit the vibrant markets like Pasar Seni, where you can haggle for everything from souvenirs to snacks. From quirky museums to secret gardens, Kuala Lumpur has no shortage of off-the-beaten-path attractions. One of my favorites is the Rumah Tiang, a beautiful wooden house that's been turned into an art gallery. And then there's the stunning Batu Caves temple, which is home to a 140-foot-tall golden statue of Lord Murugan. These are just a few examples of the many cultural experiences that reveal the city's true character. But out of all the secrets I've uncovered, there's one that really takes the cake. It's a place that's so unique, so surprising, that I'm still pinching myself to see if it's real. Have you ever heard of the Kuala Lumpur Forest Eco Park? It's an ancient forest that's been preserved right in the heart of the city. Imagine walking through a lush green forest, surrounded by towering trees and exotic plants, with the sounds of the city fading into the background. It's like nothing you've ever experienced before. The Kuala Lumpur Forest Eco Park is a 130-million-year-old forest that's been protected from development, and it's a true gem. You can take a guided tour, hike through the trails, or simply sit back and enjoy the peace and quiet. It's a surreal experience that will leave you wondering how something so incredible has remained under the radar for so long. So there you have it, a few of Kuala Lumpur's best-kept secrets. From local eateries to secret gardens, and from quirky museums to ancient forests, there's no shortage of hidden gems to explore. If you're planning a trip to Kuala Lumpur, make sure to add these spots to your itinerary. Before I go, I want to hear from you. What are some of your favorite hidden gems in Kuala Lumpur? Have you stumbled upon a secret spot that you just can't wait to share? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in more travel tips and tricks, be sure to check out my next video.
Like, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching Beyond Borders.